Community teamwork is here for your family. Please enjoy this video. Hey everyone, this is Ed Banks from Mill City Mentors program, and I'm going to make some paper airplanes with you today that you can throw around in your house. I'm going to try to make a game out of it. I'm going to show you 3 different airplanes and how to make them. They're pretty easy. You can ask your parents to help you. So first one is, this is called the Dart. Pretty simple, straightforward type of airplane. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take a piece of paper, just basic paper. If you have like construction paper, it's probably easier to make, but we're going to use this plain paper. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold the paper in half, lengthwise. Okay, so fold it in half. Your next step is to take the right corner and you're going to fold it in so it matches, so it meets the middle crease. So you're going to fold like that. You're going to do that on both sides. Okay, so it should look something like that. Next thing we're going to do is you're going to take that same side. We're going to use this side, and you're going to fold it in so it meets the crease again, right in the middle. And you're going to see that it's going to come to a point, just like that. Okay? And you're going to do that with the other side. Now you can draw on these paper, you can create, you know, you can make pictures, put stickers, however you want to do with your airplane, that's completely up to you. What I want you to do though is when you make your airplanes, I want you to send me a picture. I want to be able to see the picture of your airplane or a video of you throwing your airplanes, and what I'm going to do is put my email account address on the bottom of the video, or I'll add it so you can have that email address. So what I want you to do is send me an email with your picture and holding an airplane, your design, and if you want, send a video. It's completely up to you. So here's my airplane. Like I said, it's the Dart, pretty basic, point goes pretty straight. If you want, you can add some drawings on it. I just have highlighters, so I just wrote a little drawing, made a little design. Alright, there's your first airplane. Your next one's a little bit harder. It is called the glider. It's one of my favorite ones to make because it just kind of glides through the air. It's pretty cool. And so the first step you're going to do with this, you're going to hold the paper up and you're going to take the right corner and you're going to fold until you meet the you're going to meet the left side of the paper. So you're going to come out with a point on one side. I'll show you in a second what it looks like. Okay, it should look like that. Okay, next thing you're going to do is you're going to take that same point right up here and you're going to fold it to the other side. So you're going to put the point right towards the corner here. So you'll see that there's a little right there. Okay. Okay, next thing you do. So that's what you should have, like a little house with a little flap hanging. You're going to fold the tip down a little bit. So it looks like this. And then there should be a little pocket. As you can see right in here, you're going to put the point right into that pocket. Just like so. Okay. I don't know if you can really see it, but you'll see that there's the pocket is filled with the corner. Alright. Next thing we're going to do is you're going to fold over the side. So now it's in half, like this. Okay? Next, fold it over. Take the other side, do the same exact thing. Fold, fold, fold. And voila! We have a glider. Now the same thing as I was talking about with the dart, you could put any kinds of designs on it. You can fold these tips over. It's completely up to you. This is one that I made earlier. See, I had folded the sides in and I put some happy faces on there. You can do whatever you want. And I really want to see some of your designs and I really want to see you throwing them. Alright, so we have that, the glider. And what I want you to do too is I want you to wear something fun. So me, I'm wearing my softball uniform, my softball shirt, because I really miss playing with my friends. So if you have something cool that you want to wear, do that in the video. I'd love to see it. Alright, and our last one is a little bit tricky, but it's also the coolest, I think, is this one. Really doesn't have a name. I call it the Comet. Some people think that it might not fly, but I will show you that it will. It's pretty cool. It also can be a crown, if you want to make it a crown, like this. See? But that's completely up to you, what you want to do with it. And you can draw on it, you can color it, whatever you want. Alright, here we go. So what you're going to do with the paper, you're going to hold it this way, so that's horizontal. And you're going to take one of the bottom pieces and you're going to fold it to the top. Now this paper's not perfectly square, so it's going to come up a little bit like that. Alright, you're going to see there's a little V right here. Okay, so once you have that, pretty easy, then you're just going to fold. So fold from the bottom up. Probably about 4 or 5 folds. It's really up to you. Like I said, you can do whatever you want with it. I like just about that many. So it's going to come out looking like this. Kind of looks like a hat right now. Your next thing you're going to do is, there's a little pocket right here on one side, and the other side should be a little bit smaller. So what you can do, show you, is you want to fold, you want to crease it so you can bend it. So fold towards the end, and you're going to stick this little piece right in there so it stays. If you need to get some tape, it's totally cool. I used tape on this one because it wouldn't stay earlier, but same thing. Alright, so there's my Comet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you into my other room. I have like a game kind of set up, and what I'm going to try to do is throw my airplanes into a basket. So I'm going to put you on hold for now, and I will see you in a couple minutes. So, see you soon. Hey everyone, I'm back. It's a matter of truth. We have our 3 airplanes, our dart, our glider, and our Comet. So, object is to throw into that bucket where my buddy Fred is. Here's Fred. Hi Fred. Hi guys. Alright, so there's Fred. First one we're going to throw is our dart. So we're going to stand back and you're just going to try to aim it right for the bucket. Yep, almost. Let's try this one. And this one. So, I didn't get any yet, so we're going to try it one more time. Takes a little bit of practice, but you'll get it. So what I want to see is some of your videos of you throwing into a basket. Whoop! Sometimes they just kind of go flying everywhere. Hey, got one! Alright guys, so that's it. That's us making airplanes, paper airplanes for you to enjoy. Remember, you can email me your pictures, ebanks@comteam.org. I want to see some videos, some cool airplanes, and I will talk to you later. Be safe, everybody. Bye-bye.